is Krissy Jesudason. I'm a professional actress here in Singapore. I have been on Singapore television since the year 2016, but I have been a professional actress since 2010. I've actually been teaching at HJC for a while, but I took a little bit of a break. But I'm back with a new workshop called Acting for Television. So this workshop, Acting for Television, is exactly what it sounds like. So in the 4 weeks that you will be with me, you will be working with real television scripts and working through real life scenarios that you may find yourself in once you get to set. Yeah, it's a comprehensive 4 weeks and I'm really excited to teach it. This workshop is basically designed for anybody who is interested in acting in television, anybody who's maybe just starting out in their career and needs to know maybe the best way to practice or rehearse or even just act on set. Come on over, come join the workshop if you are interested in deepening your practice and craft for television or just curious about what's going on.